Garnier Fructis Hair Care is on a promotion this week for buy two, get a $3 extra buck, and they're on sale 2 for $7. You're going to use a 3 off of 2 coupon from our 3-1 RMN, making the total $4, but you're going to get back $3 in extra bucks, so it works out to $1 for both of them, or 50 cents each. L'Oreal Elvive Shampoo and Conditioner is on a promotion this week for buy two, get a $5 extra buck. So you're going to pick up two of them for $5.29 each, making them $10.58. You're going to use a 4 off of 2 coupon from our 3-1 RMN, making the total $6.58, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $1.58 for both of them, or 79 cents each. So I combined the L'Oreal Elvive deal with the Garnier Fructis deal because I had a 3 off of 15 Haircare CRT. So the total before coupons for all products is going to be $17.58. The total after coupons for all products is going to be $10.58. I had a 3 off of 15 Haircare CRT, making the total $7.58, but you're going to get back $8 in extra bucks. So you get $5 for the L'Oreal and $3 for the Garnier Fructis, making this free plus a 42-cent moneymaker. Eucerin lotion is on a promotion this week for spend 20, get a $10 extra buck. So you're going to pick up 4 of these lotions for $6.49 each, making them $25.96. You can use 4 of the $3 off 1 coupons from our 3-8 Smart Source. Now make sure you check your receipt to see how much that coupon is taking off, because on my receipt it only took off $2 for each of those coupons. So be mindful of that when the cashier is ringing up your stuff. I had a $3.50 off 15 lotion CRT and a 2 off of 10 Eucerin CRT. So the total works out to $8.46, but you're going to get back a $10 extra buck. So it works out to be free plus a $1.54 moneymaker. Maybelline Cosmetics are on a promotion this week for buy two, get a $7 extra buck. So you're going to pick up one of the Great Lash Mascaras for $6.99. You're going to pick up one of the Twin Brow Pencils for $4.99. You're going to use a $2 off one for the Great Lash Mascara from our 3-1 RMN. And you're going to use a $1 off 1 coupon for the Twin Brow Pencils from our 3-1 RMN. I had a 3 off of 12 Cosmetics CRT, the $3 instant coupon that printed for all of us last week, and a $1 app-only coupon for the Maybelline Mascara. So make sure you send that to your account before you go shopping. So the total worked out to $1.98, but you're going to get back $7 in extra bucks. So this works out to be free plus a $5.02 moneymaker. Covergirl Cosmetics are on a promotion this week for buy two, get a $5 extra buck. So you're going to pick up 3 of the Twin Brow Pencils for $5.99 each, making them $17.97. You're going to use 3 of the $3 off 1 coupons from our 223 Smart Source. I had a 3 off of 15 Covergirl Cosmetics CRT, making the total $5.97, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to 97 cents for all of them, or 32 cents each. Nivea Body Wash is on a promotion this week for buy one, get a $2 extra buck. So you're going to pick up one of the men's body wash for $5.99. You're going to use a $1 off 1 coupon from our 3-8 Smart Source, and I had a 2 off of 6 body wash CRT. So the total works out to $2.99, but you're going to get back a $2 extra buck. So it works out to be 99 cents after extra bucks. Now the last deal is going to be on the Suave Body Wash. Hopefully you guys took advantage of this deal. I did mention it in my CVS haul video yesterday because the $1 off 2 coupon expired yesterday the 8th. So the deal is, when you buy 2 this week, you get a $2 extra buck, and they're on sale 2 for $4. You can use that $1 off 2 coupon from our 223 RMN. I had a $2 off 2 Suave Body Wash CRT, making the total $1, but you're going to get back $2 in extra bucks. So this works out to be free plus a $1 moneymaker. Okay guys, so hopefully you enjoy the clips of the deals. Now I'm going to show you guys my receipt and the breakdown the way it's supposed to be, because for some reason the Eucerin coupons, the $3 off one, rang up $2 off one, and I noticed once I left the store. Now I did have some manufacturer coupons clipped on my card, and for some reason the 3 off of 2 came off for the L'Oreal, so I basically kind of evened out, but I still was owed $1 because only $2 for each were taking off from that $3 off one coupon. So I'm going to show you guys my receipt, and I'm going to show you the way the breakdown is supposed to be. So I picked up the Suave body wash. This was a Sunday only deal, and I did mention it in my video yesterday. And these are 2 for $4. When you buy 2 this week, you get a $2 extra buck. So there goes those 2 right there. And then I picked up the Garnier Fructis. They're buy 2, get a $3 extra buck, and they're on sale 2 for $7. I picked up the Maybelline brow pencils for buy 2, get a $7 extra buck. And I picked up the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. So that was $6.99. And there goes those 2 right there. And these are the Garnier Fructis products I picked up. So these are included in the deal, 2 for $7. Then I picked up the L'Oreal Elvive. So last week, the L'Oreal Elvive in my store was $4.99. This week, they went up to $5.29. So I picked up 2 of them for $5.29 each. And they're buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. Nivea Men or Nivea Body Wash is on a promotion this week for buy 1, get a $2 extra buck. So I picked up one of the Nivea Men's for $5.99. So there goes the Nivea Men Body Wash right there. And there goes the L'Oreal Elvive products right there. Covergirl this week is buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. So I picked up 3 of the twin brow pencils for $5.99 each. So there goes those 3 right there. And the last items I picked up was the Eucerin lotion. I picked up these small ones right here, 2.7 ounce. And these are spend 20, get a $10 extra buck. They were $6.49 each. So my total before coupons is going to be $83.48. I used that $1 off 2 coupon. Remember, it expired yesterday on the 8th. So hopefully you guys took advantage of that deal. And it was in our 223 RMN. I had the $3 off 2 coupon for the Garnier Fructis products from our 3-1 RMN. I had the $1 off Maybelline liner, and it's on all eye products from our 3-1 RMN. So if you pick up the eyeshadows, you can definitely use that $1 off coupon. And the eyeshadows are priced at $4.19. Reason why I picked up the Maybelline liner and the Maybelline mascara is because I had a 3 off of 12 cosmetic CRT. So I had to bring my products up to $12. So there goes the Maybelline mascara coupon, $2 off from our 3-1 RMN. I used a 4 off of 2 for the L'Oreal Elvive in our 3-1 RMN. I used a $1 off coupon for the Nivea Men's Body Wash from our 3-8 Smart Source. And the Nivea Body Wash deal is a limit of 1. So again, when you pick up 1 of them, you get a $2 extra buck. Covergirl, I used 3 of the $3 off 1 coupons from our 223 Smart Source. And then for the Eucerin lotion from the 3-8 Smart Source, it was supposed to be $3 off of each of them, but you're going to see on my receipt that it only took off $2. I had a $3.50 off 15 lotion CRT, a 3 off of 12 cosmetic CRT, a $3 off Maybelline instant coupon. I had a 3 off of 15 CoverGirl CRT, a 3 off of 15 Haircare CRT, a $2 off 2 L'Oreal Elvive CRT from last week. So that was the instant coupon we all received from the Redbox Coupon Center. I had the 2 off of 10 Eucerin CRT, a 2 off of 6 Body Wash CRT, and it worked with no issues for the Nivea Body Wash. And I also had a $1 off Maybelline Mascara app-only coupon. So make sure you send that to your account before you go shopping. So the total after coupons is going to be $25.98. I used $25 in extra bucks to pay for this. I actually used $26 because I lost that $1 because of the $2 off that only came off of the Eucerin, making the total 98 cents, but you're going to get back $34 in extra bucks. So if you've seen yesterday's haul, I only needed $14.51 to hit beauty. So basically, when you calculate the beauty, it was basically $100 I had worth of beauty items. I think it was like 101, and I only needed $25.51. So you subtract that from that, right? and then it becomes like 74 something. So what I minus that was by $60, because every 30 you spend on beauty, you get a $3 beauty buck. So I divided that by $60, and it came out to be $14.51. So I have $73.49 worth of beauty items within this transaction. So basically, the L'Oreal Elvive counts towards beauty. The Garnier Fructis count towards beauty. The Covergirl counted towards beauty. Maybelline counted towards beauty. And the Eucerin lotions counted towards beauty. So I will get back a $6 beauty buck, making this free plus a $14 moneymaker. So basically, I got back $34 in extra bucks, and I used $26 in extra bucks. So that's what makes it free, plus a $14 moneymaker. And with this card alone, I hit beauty 3 times yesterday. So that's $9 there. And then this time around, I hit it 2 times. So I get back a $6 beauty buck. So I get back $15 in beauty bucks from yesterday and today's transaction. So hopefully you enjoyed yesterday's video using that spend $100, get $20 off. Now tomorrow I'm going to bring you the last CVS haul using my second card. And I'm going to have a different scenario for that spend $100, get $20 off, plus some more deals. So I'll do that in a separate transaction, discuss the deal with you, and then I'll go on to the other transaction. Now let me show you guys my receipt. Okay, so if I could pick this up. It's a long receipt. Okay, let me just move it down this way. Sorry, guys. All right, so we have the Suave Body Wash here, 2 for $4. There goes the Garnier Fructis products, 2 for $7. There goes the Maybelline Brow Pencils for $4.99. The L'Oreal Elvive, they were each $5.29. There goes the Nivea Men for $5.99. The CoverGirl Brow Pencils, $5.99 each. There goes the Eucerin, priced at $6.49 each. I picked up 4 of them. And there goes the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara for $6.99. Now, these are all the coupons I used here. Do you see these $2 off coupons? 1, 2, 3, 4. They were supposed to be $3. But for some reason, the L'Oreal app coupon that I had 3 off for 2 came off on this transaction. So I didn't have to go back to the store to fight for the $1 for each of them. But I did take a $1 hit. So here goes all of my CRTs right here that I used for this transaction. So the 3 off of 15 lotion, the $3.50 off 15 lotion, the 3 off of 12 cosmetics, the $3 off of the L'Oreal instant coupon that we got last week, the 3 off of 15 hair care, the 3 off of 15 CoverGirl CRT, $2 off 2 L'Oreal instant coupon from last week, 2 off of 10 Eucerin, 2 off of 6 body wash, $2 off 2 Suave body wash CRT, and there goes $1 off for the Maybelline mascara app only. I wrote $26 in extra bucks to pay for this. My total was 98 cents. I had a tax of $3.92, making it $4.90. But I got back a total of $34 in extra bucks. So I got the $5 for the L'Oreal Haircare. I got back the $2 for the Suave Body Wash. I got back the $2 for the Nivea. $10 back for the, the Eucerin deal. $3 back for the Garnier Fructis, and the $7 back for the Maybelline, and the $5 for the CoverGirl. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Make sure you check out tomorrow's video. I'll have another scenario for you guys again for that spend $100, get $20 off on my second card, plus a couple of other deals. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.